I'm Varun and I have 8 years of experience in IT sector. So I started my career in product support, and from the last 4 years, I have been working as a product manager. So this was a fascinating experience, coming to this workshop. It was very practical, as the name suggests, Pragmatic Leaders. So it was very practical, and the approach was well defined. And the leaders who were teaching the same were good. They know what they were speaking, and they were able to justify the same in case of any clarifications. And I came to know about this workshop because I have been part of this Pragmatic Leaders, following the same on LinkedIn and attached to WhatsApp. So this was an overall good experience for me, and very practical experience apart from jargons and all the stuff that is available on internet these days. So I'll highly recommend this to everyone. So it was a good experience.